Hello, 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 hello. Sean, Brady, walking with this guy, Richard Terry, and my daughters, Claire and Nora. There's Nora, there's Claire. All right, girls, you've been hearing me and Mr. Terry talk about some awesome kitchen remodeling. What questions do you have about question remodeling?
If you remodel a banana room, can you make it bigger and with more bananas?
Now, what is there an actual banana room you're thinking about, or are you just imagining?
Banana room.
Aha. But if you think it, you can build it.
Yes.
Richard Terry can do that. You really want a
Hi.
banana room?
What's a banana room?
What's your
It's where
idea of a banana room?
Everything is bananas.
Like the color banana, or it holds bananas?
It holds a lot of bananas.
Okay, who's gonna eat all those bananas? You gonna eat those bananas? Okay, there you go. You had it from the mouths of babes. The banana room. I don't think so.
What?
But if you need it, Richard Terry could do it.
Yes.
Accolade.
Amen.
Kitchen and bath. All right. Thumbs up.
Thumbs up.
Thumbs up.